Can I see who is currently using my iPhone hotspot and disconnect them?
Hello and welcome to this informative session where we delve into the intricacies of your iPhone's hotspot. One of the many impressive features of an iPhone is its ability to function as a mobile hotspot, sharing its internet connection with other devices. But what happens when someone you don't recognize is using your hotspot? Today, we're going to show you how to identify who's connected to your iPhone hotspot and how to disconnect them.
How can I see who is connected to my iPhone hotspot?
The process is quite simple and straightforward. Let's take a look. 1. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. From there, tap on Personal Hotspot. 3. Underneath the toggle switch for turning your hotspot on or off, you'll see a section labeled Devices Connected. Here, you can see the names of all devices currently connected to your hotspot. Remember, your iPhone only displays the number of devices connected, not the specifics about each device.
Can I disconnect a device from my iPhone hotspot?
Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Apple's iOS doesn't offer a direct way to disconnect a specific device from your hotspot. However, there are two indirect methods you can use to achieve this. Method 1. Changing your hotspot password. 1. To change your password, go back to the Personal Hotspot menu in the Settings app. 2. Tap on Wi-Fi password. 3. Enter a new password, then tap Done. This will disconnect all devices currently using your hotspot, and they'll need to enter the new password to reconnect. Method 2. Toggling your hotspot off and on. Another way to disconnect all devices is to turn your hotspot off and then on again. 1. Go to the Personal Hotspot menu in the Settings app. 2. Toggle the Personal Hotspot, switch to the off position, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Just like with the first method, all devices will be disconnected and will need to reconnect. While it's unfortunate that you can't disconnect a specific device from your iPhone hotspot, these methods provide some measure of control. Always be vigilant with your hotspot use, and change your password regularly to ensure only authorized users are connected. I hope this video has been useful to you. Please keep following for more tips and tricks on managing your iPhone's features. Stay safe and connected.